So let's take a look at example 1. So we have a circle, and on the circle are points D, C, and A, and point B is right in the center. So right off the bat, I know that my central angle has got to have a vertex right in the center. I'm looking at a couple different possible central angles, but I'm just going to tell you for this one. This picture is a little bit more complicated than what I'm going to ask you to do. So let me just run through this for you. So, excuse me. Well, actually, it's not that much more complicated, but the central angle is going to be from C to B to A. So my central angle starts at B, and then I intersect the circle at C and A. So there's my central angle right there. My inscribed angle, if you remember the definition, the vertex has to be on the circle. So my inscribed angle is going to be from D to C, and then from D to A. So let's look at these questions here. Example 1A, true or false? Arc CA is considered the minor arc. Well, I go from C straight over to A, and this looks like it is on the interior of my central angle. This is my smaller arc, so that's going to be true. Arc CA is considered my minor arc, so that's going to be true. True or false? Arc CDA is considered the major arc. So we start at C, then we have to go around and touch D, and then from D we go all the way back to A. So CDA is on the outside of my central angle, so this is going to be my major arc. That's true. This is major, and then on the inside that's my minor. So you can think of it like this. Major is large, minor is small. So that's true. CDA is my major arc. Okay. What about part C? If the measure of angle ABC, so ABC, so my central angle, if the measure of angle ABC is 40 degrees, what is the measure of ADC? Well, if you look back at the inscribed angle theorem, it says the measure of the central angle is twice the measure of the inscribed angle as long as they intersect the same points, which they do. They intersect at C and A. So if ABC is 40, that means 40 is going to be twice what this is. So 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20 degrees. So the measure of angle ADC, which is my inscribed angle, is going to be half of my central angle. So if ADC, so we're using the same picture but just slightly different numbers. If ADC were 60 degrees, so if my inscribed angle were 60 degrees right here, what would ABC be? So if my inscribed angle is 60, what is my central angle? Again, the central angle is twice the measure of the inscribed angle. So if my inscribed is 60, my central is going to be 60 times 2, which is 120 degrees.